Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can go from zero as a beginner to making anywhere from $200 to $500 daily in commissions promoting Clickbank products with a free traffic source. And I'm going to show you step by step how other people are doing it so you can start to do the same and potentially make sales and commissions. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way where you can actually put in a link of a product that resonates with this free traffic source, and actually you can make 100% profit. That's right, you don't have to make affiliate commissions. You can actually have your own product, own system, and just paste the link inside your Instagram profile and start earning 100% profit. So let's dive into this and let me show you step by step how you can start to get free traffic to Clickbank products and make money with a product that's proven and tested and that's been promoted by hundreds of people on this free platform. And it's one of the product that converts very good and pays you very good commission. So basically, from the front end product to the last product, which is the upsells, you can make up to $162 in commissions. And it's one of the best products out there that's converting very good with this free traffic source. At the same time, you need to understand that just because this product is converting very good with this one free traffic source does not mean that it's going to convert with other traffic sources. That's where people get it wrong, especially the beginners. When they start to promote a one product, they see that it's converting very good. They start to create campaigns with other traffic sources, other networks, but unfortunately they start to lose money. And the reason is because they don't understand that because one product is converting with one traffic source does not mean that it is going to convert with another traffic source. So I hope this makes sense. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. It will be appreciated if you can share this video with the people you care. Click the share button, share this video, and give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And leave a comment if you love this video, and if you have any kind of questions, I'm here to help you. I've been in this business for over a decade, and my training has helped thousands and thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple seven figures and become mentors and coach. Bear in mind that just because some of my students have made money or some of my training is very helpful does not basically mean that you're going to make any money. It all depends on how you follow the steps, how you take action, how you make effort, and how loyal you are to following and taking action with the right mindset. Okay, so let's get into this and let me show you the proven product that's converting very good with this free traffic, how people are doing it, and how you can do it. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a product that you can own. You can paste the link into this Instagram and people will resonate with that product just because it's all about this free traffic source and you can earn 100% profit. So we're talking about a free traffic source down here, a free traffic source that's called Instagram. Now, if you don't know what Instagram is owned by Facebook, and it's one of the best and top traffic sources out there where you can get unlimited free traffic. Okay, now a lot of people are posting on Instagram but their account is not monetized, and the reason is because they don't know how to monetize their account. They don't know how to make money with Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to monetize your account. So you can see on the screen here that this got 51 likes, this got 1,535 likes, this got 430 likes. Now what this account is all about dieting. Okay, how to lose weight using dieting services. All right, so this person is promoting dieting products, posting all about diets, all about food, to get people to learn how to lose weight. And at the same time, this person is monetizing their account by promoting a product. Now the product they're promoting, you can see here that if you look at this, first of all, the Instagram profile they are using is according to the product. It's called the Smoothie Diet Guide. Okay, this is resonating with the product that I'm about to share with you. Number 2, you could see here, blogger, healthy foodie, and then down here he's put a link to his blog. He's not doing direct linking to the Clickbank product, but when you go to this blog, you're going to find that he's promoting a Clickbank product. He's very, very clever and smart. He's not putting a direct link of the Clickbank product. And this is something very smart. You don't want to put a direct Clickbank link here because your account can get suspended, okay? But if I come to the search bar down here, okay, if I just go to the search bar, all right, and I just put in smoothie diet plan, you're going to find so many people with accounts related to this smoothie diet plan here, okay? So let me just click on this one here, 21 smoothie diet plan, and then you could see here that this person is doing the same thing, posting related to weight loss and related to dieting, okay? And what are they doing? They're monetizing their account by putting a product down here. Now this product is a landing page. This is not the direct link to the Clickbank product, but when you go here, it's going to take you to the proven product that's converting very, very good with this free traffic source. And what is that product? The product is called the 21-day smoothie diet plan. You could check the sales page down here. This is the product that's converting very, very good, okay? So you could see here, so this is the product that people are promoting, and people are creating Instagram profiles related to this product called the smoothie diet plan, and they are getting their affiliate links. They are either creating a blog or shortening the URL, and then they are posting that link into the Instagram profile. And like this, every time they post, people come here, they click on this link. If it resonates, they buy the product, and guess who makes the commission? The owner of this account, okay? So you can do this as well, all right? What is important in here is that because this is a free traffic source, it requires you to be persistent and do it on a daily basis. You can't just do this 1 or 2 times and then just leave it on the side for 1 or 2 weeks and then do nothing about it, okay? I highly recommend that you do this on a daily basis, and in the beginning, for the first 3 months, I highly recommend you do it 2 to 3 times a day, post 2 to 3 times a day on a daily basis to get that boost inside this free traffic source, so the algorithm starts to see you very active and start pushing your posts to other people. And this is the way you're going to get a lot of followers, you're going to get a lot of likes, and you're going to get a lot of traffic, okay? Persistent is the key to success. So this is how people are promoting affiliate products on with Clickbank using this free traffic source. Now, I did tell you that at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a product that resonates with this free traffic source. Okay, so if you don't want to promote a Clickbank product, instead you want to have your own product that you can sell, put in your own price and earn 100% profit, then you can do that too. And let me show you that product. So if you come to Clickbank and you go to the Clickbank marketplace, you just want to head over to the top and you want to type in Instagram. Okay, when you type in Instagram, you're going to find this product here called the Instagram Moneymaker with 0 followers. What this product is all about is this product teaches you how to make $100, $200, $300, and even $500 a day with Instagram, with 0 followers, and it shows you how to build your Instagram business from 0 followers to thousands and millions of followers very fast, very, very quickly. At the same time, this product teaches you how you can turn your Instagram account into a business machine, okay? And with this product gives you 6 exclusive bonuses. One of the bonuses is that it gives you the reseller license to the product, which means you can own the product as your own. You get the sales page, you get the done for you thank you page, you get the members area, you get the email swipes, you get everything done for you. Put your own price in, and everything is taught and given within the training, showing you exactly how to do it with a click of a button, have this product as your own, start selling it like it's your own product and earn 100% profit, okay? Because this product is all about Instagram, if you have the link of this product and you put it on your Instagram profile, most likely people are gonna, when they click on it, they're gonna buy the product because they want to learn exactly how to turn their Instagram account into a money machine, how to build from ground up to thousands and millions of followers, and how to earn affiliate commissions using Instagram. So this product is all about that, and this is one of the best products on Clickbank right now. So you have two options. First option is you could click here, get your affiliate link, and then shorten it and put it in Instagram account, okay? This way, people will click on the link and they will look into the product, and if it resonates, if it's something that they believe it will help them build their business, which is most likely it is going to do that, you're going to make a commission when they make a purchase. That's one way of doing it. Second way of doing it, that you can purchase this product yourself. Okay, so what you want to do, you just want to go to the sales page here, check the sales page out. If you love it, you resonate, you believe this is something that's going to help you build a business, you could purchase the product yourself, go through the training. In that training, you're going to learn exactly how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, and at the same time, you're going to get access to reseller license with done-for-you swipes, landing pages, sales pages, thank you pages, everything to sell this product as your own product, put your own price, and then you could actually sell this product via Stripe, via PayPal, anything, and start selling this product. So you can have your own link into the Instagram account. So you have two options: either get your affiliate link, promote this product pays up to 75% commission, okay, and it's a very, very high converting product, or purchase the product yourself and go through the training. It teaches you exactly how to get the reseller license for this product, get the sales page, thank you pages, everything, and then have your own link into Instagram account and sell this product as your own product to start earning 100% profit without any cut. Okay, so this is one of the best products on Clickbank. You can promote this product, and it also has the affiliate page. You could go to the affiliate page to see how you can promote this product to your subscribers, how you can get the media buys and start getting media buy traffic or create paid traffic campaigns. Okay, so this is how you promote Clickbank products on this free traffic source called Instagram. All right, start doing it, start using it, start utilizing it. Action takers will always win. So you need to start taking action, start doing this on a daily basis. Persistent is the key to success. If you do this on a daily basis with a never giving up attitude, potentially you should start to see your Instagram account grow, start getting traffic, and start making sales.